Hi, in this chapter, reporting, what can I learn about my data? With central finance data research in one central accessible place and is standardized, harmonized, and enriched, without further steps needing to be taken for embedded capabilities for segment, entity, or group reporting. Since the data are all stored in one place and it all in standardized and harmonized way, there is no need for the steps like extraction, transformation, loading, and all those things. We can take the help of embedded capabilities, segment reporting, entity, and group reporting. So the advanced reporting allows you to use latest innovative reporting and analytical capabilities, goes beyond the reporting, providing SAP Fiori apps with integrated process execution capabilities. Not only the reporting, we can also execute the process, leverage database and application architecture innovation like the Universal Journal to allow for unified end-to-end reporting out of the box without the need for manual data unification by IT. Allow you to use latest innovative reporting and analytical capabilities. Reporting center is oriented towards the business user and provides real-time insights, analytical analysis, contextual information when possible visually. So these are the reports available. Advanced reporting includes line item, access, unified reporting, multi-dimensional, Microsoft Excel, root cause analysis, embedded reporting, KPI indicator, predictive reporting, problem-solving reporting, line item access. So it's a bottom-up process, starting the maximum rather than parsing out various data sets to accommodate resource limits to avoid runtime errors. Cells can include all field dimensions in the central finance coding block, including business mapping values, which are stored and served in advance, like old account profit center or entire number. Universal reporting. All standard finance dimensions across the main ledger and sub-ledger. Custom dimension like the color. All standard financial dimensions. Custom dimensions like color of the product, age of the customer. Pertinent source system information such as the system ID and document numbers all get stored. Basically, 355 dimensions of financial coding can be accessed for filtering, sorting, etc. So reporting financial access to financial information, no matter how subledger might have previously stored that information. With a unified coding block, the alternate stored in the same table, no longer required to jump out to example or vendor details behind the account receivable for customer details behind the balance inventory behind the reporting center allow access to financial information no matter what subledger might have previously stored that information. No longer required, all stored in the one place in Western Journal. Multi-dimensional reporting, I think it's like a business segment. It allows you to explore transactional financial in central financial analytical fashion. Explore the entire financial data organization using the concept of facets instead of a transition or line item view. So facets are dynamic dimensional filters that allow user to select and group the overall dataset by the dimension desired, like product, customer, channel. That's why specific information within the potentially quite large dataset. Then this is the Microsoft Excel analysis with SAP Analytics for Microsoft Office. Data prepare phase is basically eliminated. Preparation phase is basically eliminated. You can jump right to the data analysis. Financial data can be accessed directly via Excel. Financial data and central finance is already harmonized, standardized, and enriched, negative need for additional transformation. No transaction posting can be included. New transaction posting can be included anytime. Root cause analysis to reporting self-evidence allows ad hoc root cause analysis from the top level overview for upper management leaders, like why the sales not happened. That can be done down to the transaction to financial reporting. Change in course can be based on facts, that is based on financial data harmonized. Leadership team can use the same financial data based on prevent tiles to produce different aspects of performance. We can be combined into sets of tiles on example. Embedded. Embedded analytics allow you to switch between the complex visual and facial filters to specific SAP Fiori apps that are semantically linked to the data from the product probability SAP Ferry app. As shown, you can navigate to the actual plan P&L from one to embedded report, embedded analytics. Real-time KPIs. You can keep the real-time predefined customers KPI tiles. And predictive reporting in customer finance allow you to use forward-looking predictive data calculated by business users and data scientist. You can join internal external data like demographics. You can score data applicability models as soon as events occur and even embedded predictors into business process. Problem solving solutions. Two solutions like may useful include like SAP Real Spend, SAP Financial Statements, Insights, SAP Real Spend Flex. Tagging to enable the new report dimensions on the fly to add future responses to the data set. Tagging. SAP Financial Statement. You can discover hidden trends and making strategic decisions through real-time analysis of your profit and loss statement. The solution includes the ability to estimate organizational changes to compare potential business performance across different products. The solution includes the ability to simulate organizational changes to compare potential business performance across different division products. By changing the price, so those trends we can make. This is from real spend and this is from insights. Then we have extended dimensional reporting. A key difference ability to provide enhanced dimensions in reporting and analytics. Reporting service based on the speed and performance of the underlying SAP HANA in memory database. Workarounds, no more like workarounds, like data parsing, abbreviation, normalization, splitting data across certificate. Example of dimensional difference includes micro segment profitability, cross organizational reporting. This is like function reporting, business area, business country reporting, new and old dimension kept in parallel. Micro segmental ability to communicate in key innovations is central finance. Looking at the financial performance only on the entity at business segment level without right level of business detail dimension may prevent a full understanding of the drivers, the probability which are necessary for the business management because aggregates and averages dilute profit information. The level of detail in your micro segments varies more and more in the digital economy. Central finance probability can be reported and analyzed on the detailed micro segment level for every dimension you desire to include the universal coding blank. So how deep you go in terms of level of details and how broad in terms of dimensionally, this you have to decide how to decide. Like in details at your point of view, at this point you may evaluate how is your level of information. So two sets of dimension level of information. One is first level more dimension than previously information purpose and for real probability calculation. Second is one level of details lower than your organization is being using. To go to the lowest level of details right away, for instance, the transaction is not advised. Don't forget that with the detail and depth of dimensionality, you will need to establish organizational responsibilities and incentives. If not, you will be providing information that no one looks at it. So if you have more detail, right, somebody should be there to monitor. Otherwise, it's no use. So overhauling the system without nobody using. Whether including additional elements in the coding or the right decision depends upon the several factors, including performance, or need to use these dimensions in derivation allocation or in standard SAP Fiori reporting. Some reasons for including additional dimension includes dimension can be dynamic like customer credit rating, dimensions subject to change over time. Then we have cross-organizational functional reporting. This is like business area. This kind of reporting focuses more on going wider, providing additional alternative views of the interfaces. This is not giving detailed view. This is additional alternative views of the interfaces. This is the additional attributes. Cross-functional reporting is more about the organizational elements of interfaces which are tagged with a certain distribution rather than about reporting analysis of underlying business transactions. Based on additional attributes. In business continuity plan, business is already well versed with their old information, so they want the same information as central finance. So entity reporting. In consideration, you can use central finance for both local entity reporting as well as aggregated level of reporting. For local process, all financial reporting questions for system are replicated into central system, including regular business transactions that occur during the month as well as the period end posting. Local finance teams can run entity reporting process in the central system instead of the source system. The advanced reporting capability available in central system brings many benefits such as advanced reporting capabilities and extended dimension. System of report. With no additional financial questions and different source system solution, exactly same information. Once the financial information of questions and different, the tipping point typically is the use of central ERP processing. The central system has the posting, then the source system has the basically become your system of record. The central system now has more posting than the source system and has basically become your system of record. If you still want entity reporting enabled in the source system, you need to ensure the transaction get in central system are propagated back to the source system. In some regular which system is the system of record, you can use central system for entity reporting. Company code alignments like appearance, company code merges, company code splits. Appearance like new places you can have company code 1000, but in source it may be 47. Then tax optimization. Entity reporting center can provide the opportunity for organizations to realize the tax optimization oriented business model. Central finance can easily set up and manage foreign principal companies, which will only need created from the finance, not a logistics perspective. In other words, organization structures won't need to be customized, but data won't need to be provisioned because central finance is separated from the underlying source system. Then group reporting. Reporting for all entities, provision for financial information in a uniform, homogeneous way, the ability to compare and evaluate performance across organization, the ability to combine financial data from several subsidiaries or business entities within the organization. Pre-consultant concept, for example, reporting for all entities making up the enterprises, no matter what source system captures the system. Uniform, the ability to compare performance across, the ability to compare multi-entity reporting. This is like reporting. Central finance allows you to bring together cross-system data for enterprise-wide reporting and analysis. The traditional data warehouse typically built on separate it's only over the large scale analysis, not real time when change is made. Harmonized and standardized. Apple to Apple oranges. Then benchmarking, consolidated reporting, group reporting, and central finance are limited to a period in closing based on pre-considered information. Central finance allow you to execute consolidation group closing steps in central finance to write fully consolidated statements.